Hello again, it's Noob, and here we have a BUVA or BUVA, B-U-V-A lock. And this, I looked up, is actually a Dutch company, does all sorts of door hardware, that kind of stuff. But this is a 2-star SKG. Do they make the lock themselves? Possibly, but I know a lot of companies like Miller in the UK, they do a lot of UPVC doors and windows and all sorts of hardware. But they've had people like Ever and other people make locks for them. So it's possible that BUVA or BUVA do the same thing. Anyway, let's have a look at that bitting. Really nice. I think we have a maximum adjacent cut here. It's only, looks like 5 pins, but this is a tricky-ish pick. I don't think there's much more in it than spools, but I just think it's relatively good tolerances and probably that bitting that helps it just punch above its weight a little bit. So let's throw this in a vise and have a go. I've already taken the circlip off one side to prepare us for a gutting if we're successful. So we're in the vise. I have a gem and just a normal bottom of the Q8 turner, which I've thrown on the floor. Here's the key, make sure it all works. Put my thumb over the keyway as I withdraw, because I've taken the circlip out of the back and I've definitely paid the price of doing that badly before. I'm going to go straight into the back, pin 5, forward little click, 3 little click, back to the back, oh, hit 5 into a deep falset, nothing on 1, 2's give me some real deep counter rotation, back to the back, I think, oh, we got the open. So yeah, I think it's possibly because I had a go at picking this before I decided to pick this lock on camera, so I sort of knew its tricks. But that second pin, really tricky if you don't know what it's all about. So let's have a go at gutting this quickly. Turn this around, grab a what do I need? I need a pinning shoe, like that. Oh, that's pretty tight. Maybe I'll get a different one. That should work. Get a hook and try to withdraw this, and hopefully there won't be any nasty secrets in there. Now, I would be surprised if these are anything but standard key pins, but you never know. Standard, so steel, anti-drill, brass, all standard though, no security pins in here. What have I done with my tweezers? Just make sure these are all the right way around. Yep, looking pretty nice. And then we can have a go at gutting this, starting from the, oh, clearly I thought I started from the front, I rotated the wrong way around. Oh, so that was a serrated pin, spool pin, come here, spool pin, and a steel serrated. I think they're steel. I recently moved house, so I don't know where my little magnets are to test, but I think that these would be steel at the front, like an anti-drill feature. Some very nice spools, I have to say, nice, and grab that for you. You can see the neck of that spool is very thin, which means that you get a much deeper falset. And then another serrated pin here, but in brass. Hopefully you can see that there. So yeah, not a bad lock. 2-star SKG. Don't think there's any other good features in this. Oh, wrong lock. It's another lock. Can't see any other features. There's a anti-drill piece of steel running up there. Obviously got lots of springs in it, but nothing too special. It's double springs out. No, they're all the same. So I would have expected maybe a different type of spring as an anti-bump feature. So yeah, it doesn't seem to be anti-snap or anti-bump. But yeah, it's not bad bitting. Maybe that's what counts. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. If you want to watch more videos like this, then consider subscribing because it really helps my channel out. If you have any comments, leave them below. I do read them all and reply to as many as I can. Otherwise, stay safe, happy picking, and I will see you all next time.